Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the top 5 best outdoor security cameras in 2023. We made this list based on our own opinion, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best outdoor security cameras. The 5th product on our list is Eufy SoloCam S40. A hassle-free wireless outdoor camera, the Eufy SoloCam S40 can keep itself charged thanks to its large solar panel. There are no ongoing subscription costs, and the high-quality video, including full-color night vision, is stored on the 8 GB of storage. The solar panel on the top of the Eufy SoloCam S40 means this wireless camera is fairly large compared to rivals. But the flip side is that you only need to mount the camera, not the camera and a separate solar panel. It's extremely simple to set up. The solar panel needs 2 hours of sunlight per day to stay charged, and Eufy provides a simple mount that can be screwed to a wall with a ball joint providing plenty of flexibility to point the camera where you want it. Once in place, the camera needs to be connected to the Eufy Security app. The Eufy Security app isn't quite as polished as that offered by the competition, but it does get the basics right. Video is recorded to the camera's 8 GB of internal storage, which Eufy says is enough for 2 months of footage. There's no micro SD card slot to upgrade storage, and no option for cloud recording, but Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility let you stream the footage to a compatible smart display. During the day, footage is very sharp and detailed. At night, we first tested the camera without its spotlight, using its IR vision instead to capture footage in black and white. Here, there's a good amount of detail, although the image does become softer. With its spotlight on, the Eufy SoloCam S40 can shoot in full color at night. The footage is a little bit blurry, but the quality of the picture is good enough to identify individuals. Up next, in 4th place, is the Anki NC800. The well-priced Anki NC800 is a 4K video camera and part of the company's night chroma range. That essentially means that it can see in the dark, shooting some of the best quality videos that we've ever seen, preserving details when it's dark outside. Image quality during the day is even more impressive, and this camera beats the big-name competition hands down. It's a little fiddly to get this camera working. While it has an SD card slot, the basic Anki app isn't very good. Instead, you're better off using the NC800 with a network video recorder. You can use any ONVIF-compliant recorder, such as the Synology Surveillance Station, which is a free add-on to Synology NAS devices. Still, once connected to a suitable recorder, it means that you don't have any ongoing costs. While the other cameras on this list are easier to get working and easier to use, if you put the time in and just want the best quality footage, then this is a great choice. The 3rd product on our list is the EZViz CTQ3N. Comparatively cheap, the EZViz CTQ3N focuses on quality and getting the basics right. It may not have quite as smooth an app as the main competition, but this model has all of the main features that you need. Installation requires you to screw the mounting plate to a surface. A wall or ceiling will do the job. You then need to run power to it using the provided power adapter that must be plugged in inside. Connection to your home network is via Wi-Fi. This camera has a micro SD card slot on it, so you can store video locally and don't have to pay for cloud storage. That's good news if you don't want to have to shell out monthly. Motion detection is good on this model, and you can set activity zones to only monitor a set portion of the video feed to cut down on the number of alerts that you get. Shooting at 1080p, this camera produces very sharp and detailed footage during the day. At night, IR lights give good range, but the camera also has a spotlight that can turn on, giving you full-color night footage. If you're after a well-priced outdoor camera that gets the basics right, this subscription-free model is a great choice. The 2nd product on our list is the Ring Floodlight Cam Pro. Ring has had a floodlight camera for a long time, but the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Pro is the best yet. This wired model is easier to install than the previous one and can be wall or ceiling mounted. It has 2 bright LED lamps that you can angle where you want them and a PIR sensor to control them. Cleverly, Ring lets you control the detection range for the PIR sensor so the light won't keep turning on as people or neighbors walk near your light. At the heart of the camera is a security camera, which has the 3D motion technology from the company's Ring Video Doorbell Pro 2. This uses radar to let you set a detection range. When used in combination with activity zones, it basically means that this camera won't record motion when you don't want it to. Video quality is decent, with the floodlight meaning that the camera can record in color at night, although it also has IR lights for black and white shooting as a backup. As with other Ring cameras, you need to pay for a cloud subscription plan to store videos in the cloud. This is well priced, particularly if you have multiple Ring cameras and a Ring alarm. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top product title name is the Arlo Pro 4. The Arlo system is one of the most powerful, using a range of wireless cameras that talk to a base station plugged into your home network. These cameras can be used inside or out, giving you whole home coverage, which is why we've listed them under their own special section. The best model at the moment is the Arlo Pro 4, which has a 2K resolution. This model is very similar to the older Arlo Pro 3, although this camera doesn't need a base station and can connect directly to your Wi-Fi. That gives you a bit more flexibility and makes the Pro 4 a cheaper system to buy into than the Pro 3. If you do have a base station already, you can connect the Pro 4 to this. The Arlo system is one of the best and most convenient to use, although you do need to buy an Arlo Secure plan to get the most out of it and get cloud storage. All cameras are controlled by the same excellent software, which lets you set cloud activity zones so that you only get notified about movement in areas you're interested in. You can further enhance this with smart notifications, letting you choose to get notified about your choice of people, animals, or vehicles. One of the best things about the Arlo system is its modes. These let you choose how you want your cameras to work. Geolocation is the easiest to set up, letting your cameras turn on when you go out and move to a schedule when you get home. With a schedule, you can set which cameras record when, saying turning on all downstairs cameras at night when you're in bed, but turning them off during the day. It's a hugely powerful system that's far better than anything the competition has. The Pro 4 has excellent image quality, shooting at a higher resolution than most of the competition, plus it has a spotlight that lets it shoot in full color at night. It's a relatively expensive camera, but if you're looking for the best overall choice, this is hard to beat. Arlo is relatively expensive to buy into, but additional cameras work out at better value. If you want an easy-to-install wireless system to cover inside and out, there's nothing better. So that wraps up our list of the best outdoor security cameras. Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Let us know in the comments down below which outdoor security camera you're going to choose. Thanks for watching. That's all there is to this video. If you like this video and it helped you in any way, please give this video a like. And if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Until next time. See you guys later.